Hey guys, just want to do a quick review and talk to you a little bit about this Real Littles journal. It's Minnie Mouse themed, and these are really kind of cute. There's a lot of different ones out there, but this one is really adorable, and I just want to show you what's inside, how to use it, and how to open it. It is super cute. As you can see, it's tiny. It's got the rainbow. It's pink. It's Minnie Mouse themed. So it's designed to have like a little lock. Inside, a little surprise. We'll go over that in a minute. Here's a clip for your backpack. You can hang it with you or take it with you on the road, which is super cute. So there's a couple of secrets about this. Let me show you how to get the key. There's a key for the padlock, and there's a key for this. So you have to get the key out of here to open up the journal. And the key is really the bow. This is the secret. So I want to show you how to open it. You have to just line up the little key, hold the bow, and unlock it, 2 snaps. And this opens up Minnie Mouse, which is cute. Inside the Minnie Mouse, there are little keys. So this is where people, get lost, like they can't find the keys. And this is the key to the little padlock. Also, a little cute eraser in here as well. So let's just close that up. And now I want to open up the padlock. I'm going to show you that. So here's a little key for the padlock. Open that up, and you can see the padlock opens right up. So that's how you open up, that's how you get the key out. And this is out of Minnie Mouse, and you open up the padlock. And that comes with a lock and 2 little keys. So just be aware of that. And then you open up the journal, and there's more surprises in here. Inside here, it's Velcroed. And inside here is more stuff. Okay. So you do get, let me show you, little mini pad of paper. Okay. You can see that. And over here is some stickers, right? Some Minnie Mouse stickers. Show you that. That's what's in here as well. And also, what's super cool is this little, I don't know if you remember the push pencils from years ago. Well, here it is. Little pencils right here. And when you're down with that one, you can actually switch it. There's another one here and another one here. So you have 3 different ones. You can actually write in the journal. In the journal here, there's 50 pages that blank pages that you can write in your journal, and that's how cute that is. So you got your pen. You got your pencil. You got your little holder, some stickers, a little eraser. That's why the eraser's here, because you have the little pencil. This is really kind of cool. So that's what I have for you in here. This is everything included in this kit. Absolutely adorable. Definitely highly recommend this. Again, 6+. Thanks for watching this quick review. Hope you enjoyed.